So sometimes it's easy to get carried away writing tests without paying attention to the quality of the test code that we're writing. So let's go and evaluate the test that we've just written. So there's a number of things that we could look at here. So we've got a bit of duplication creeping in. So where we create our instance of our simple calculator, we've got that code repeated in both of our tests here, but more importantly, the name of our test class here doesn't match the logical thing that we're testing. So we're testing the simple calculator here in our system under test, but our actual test fixture name here is just called calculator tests. So we probably want to fix this to improve the naming of this test fixture class. And we can do this just by changing its name to simple calculator tests. Now the test fixture class matches the actual system under test in our test methods. And we can go and quickly rename the file to match this new class name. Just save that. So that's a simple example of how we can get carried away when writing tests and not pay enough attention to the quality of the tests we're writing. We could also go and extract this SUT variable that's local to each of these two test methods, and we could potentially introduce a field into this test class. That would remove the need to explicitly create an instance in each test. So we've only got two tests here, so this may not be such a problem in this instance. And our simple calculator here doesn't contain any state, so if the same instance is reused across multiple tests, we shouldn't get any interference between each individual test running, so our test should still remain isolated. Later in the course, we'll look at some NUnit attributes that we can use to execute code before and after each test runs. And if we build this, we can see now that our new name of simple calculator tests is showing up in the Test Explorer window. So it gives us a better idea of what these test methods relate to.